Ready, set, do it.
Nice. Okay, Tony.
Oh, this hurts me more than you, Sonia.
Oh, me too.
Oh, beautiful.
This one is you.
Look at that pure leather. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Ready, Sonia.
Hola, guys. Hoy estoy tan emocionada porque vamos a ver otra bolsa. Vamos a cortarla para ver cómo está construida por dentro.
No! Alrighty, I'm gonna show you a brand new Tony in our signature leather. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna cut this up with that tool right there. Sonia, are you ready?
No.
Let's do it, let's do it. Let's see, take that one off. Ooh, I'll take it, okay? So this is our beautiful hardware. Notice the finish, the detail. This is pure leather.
Excellent.
All the way. See the raw edges? You can see the leather right through. All the way. But we're not going to cut this strap up. We're going to save this one from its demise. We're going to focus right here. Look at that. Beautiful leather. This is our lifetime quality promise. How to take care of the leather in every bag, but we don't need that because today, this one's not gonna make the lifetime. This one has life over today. We're going to murder. You ready? You got this?
Yes.
Okay. Do your stuff.
Okay. I
Ready?
start here.
Go for it.
Okay.
Ready, set, do it.
Nice. Okay, Tony.
Oh, this hurts me more than you, Sonia.
Oh, me too.
Oh, beautiful.
This
Oh,
one is you.
look at that pure leather. Oh, beautiful. Okay, okay, keep cutting. Perfect. Look at beautiful, beautiful, pure leather.
Wow.
Look. No coatings, no filler. Let me show.
Excellent. Tony.
Just leather, pure. Pure leather, natural grain. Beautiful. Let's cut this.
Look at this, Tony.
Oh, wow. So here, again, let me see. Beautiful, 100%. Beautiful. It's all natural suede. Natural. Beautiful. Here, same. Beautiful. 100% suede. 100%. Natural. Natural, beautiful suede. Beautiful leather, 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 leather! Okay, now why don't we cut the whole flap off? What do you think? Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, there it is. Beautiful leather. Yep. There we go. There's that. Look at this.
Wow.
Perfect. Beautiful. Even the interior credit card slot is 100% pure leather, hand stitched, lined with our cell phone pocket lining, so you can get the credit card in and out smoothly. You can't really put suede in pockets for the cell phone because it'll get stuck, and we learned that the hard way. So we came with 100% cotton, high quality satin finish so that the credit card can slide in and out easily, and in the cell phone pocket the same. So there it is. Okay, and there it is, pure leather. It's a high quality, top finished hardware. All of our rivets, again, are applied by hand. It's part of the quality of the process. Our lifetime guarantee also goes for our hardware because it's such high quality finish. I don't think anyone's going to be ripping these rivets off soon, that's for sure. How many rivets do you think you've taken off, Sonia?
For day?
How many?
100?
Hundreds a day. Yeah. When we do have a Hammitt get sick, it comes into the emergency clinic, and Sonia literally has to take these rivets off, one person at a time, or one rivet at a time, so that she can get in and do the repairs. And even though we've been in business for 15 years, over 1 million Hammits on the street, which means at least 20 million rivets, we rarely have repairs. And it's only Sonia and one other person helping you. That's right. It's really hard. When you build them like this quality, they're meant to last multiple generations. Yeah. There you go. There we go. There we go. There's the hardware. Beautiful finish. All the way through, even the back. That's quality. Can I show? Mm-hmm. So look, again, full leather. All the way through, inside, outside. This seam, look at the leather, all the way through. Quality, the quality.
The stitching, look at this.
The stitching's amazing, and look at pure leather. Nothing below. All leather. Same here. Pure leather. Stretches. Beautiful. And look, even after I rub it, I still have the natural grain of the leather. It's so beautiful. Sean, you want to take the stitch?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at how hard that is to do. It's crazy. So here. So this is our Tony. You can see beautiful 100% suede leather interior, 100% non-coated pebbled leather on the exterior. Even the interior pocket is 100% beautiful leather, okay? Our rivets, pure, beautiful rivets, highest quality grade, highest quality smooth zippers. When we took it all apart, again, the gussets, the interior, the exterior, the pockets, everything, pure leather, the highest quality construction. Sonia, you rock.
Oh,